Today we're at Moe's Southwestern Grill, and they're basically a restaurant that specializes in Mexican cuisine, burritos, tacos, quesadillas, good stuff. The food is pretty good. A family of 4 can eat here for $20 if you're ordering water, and mid-30s if you're ordering drinks. So let's see how their water stacks up, see if it's something that is drinkable. So basically we got a fountain drink and filled it up with water, and we wanted to compare that with a sample from their bathroom so we can test how their tap water is. So we got a sample from the bathroom, and then we're going to compare those two samples with a bottle water. And today we're going to be using Life Water, and we're going to use that as like a control sample. Oop, filled it a little too much, but that's okay. And we're going to be looking at the total dissolved solids using a TDS meter, and it's just going to tell us how much stuff is in the water. Some of it could be good stuff, some of it could be bad stuff, but you don't really want a lot of stuff in there, right? So the bottled water comes to 22, not bad for bottled water, and their tap water from the bathroom is 144. Pretty high, not the best result that we've seen for tap water. Not the worst, but now we're going to test the water from their drink machine. And it comes out to about 94, which is pretty high. 95, the second highest that we've had since we've been testing water. So not great. So let's go ahead and test and use a strip to see if we can get some more information about this water. So we're going to take a test strip and we're going to dip it in, and now we have to let it develop for about 30 seconds. So we're going to be looking at 9 different things for this water and see what we can find out. We're going to be looking at the total alkalinity, the pH, the total hardness, and some of the metals. So here we're going to compare it to a chart on the bottle. So the first row on the right there is total alkalinity, and we're looking at about 80. The pH is about 6.4 to 6.8. The hardness is about 50. The iron is 0. The copper is 0. The lead is 0. The nitrates are 0. The nitrites are 0, and the free chlorine is 0. So that gives us a little bit more information. The taste, that we can see that the hardness is about 50. So we have a little bit of that taste is what we're probably tasting in there. But now let's see, if you're just looking at the water, it looks clean. It doesn't have a smell, unlike the water we tested for Po Folks. This one doesn't have a smell, but the taste is a little funky. It doesn't taste right, and it's not pleasant. The problem is that this taste is the same water that they use for the other drinks, so the other drinks are going to be just as bad. So I would not recommend buying drinks here. I would skip it, maybe get your food to go and buy a drink from the store. I would rate this water a 1. Not worth it. Definitely not worth drinking. Shouldn't drink it. And the interesting thing about this water is the Chick-fil-A results that we showed you in our other video. This restaurant is using the same water as Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A's water is remarkably better than this one. You can actually see the Chick-fil-A across the street from this restaurant. So Chick-fil-A is using a better filtration system and making their water taste much better, and their drinks are cheaper. So maybe go to Chick-fil-A and get your drink, and then come over here, or better yet, just buy your drink in the in the store and get your food to go if you really want some food at Moe's. So I hope that video is helpful for you, and make sure to like and subscribe for another video. See you next time.